How is this for a stunning piece of auto art from the 50s? This really is the cat's whiskers, this Chevy. When I first spotted Jess, Hayden and the family cruising up the road in this 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air, it instantly grabbed my attention. The glow from the chrome detailing and the shine of that stunning colour, reflecting the different light and shadows, fully made it stand out from the crowd. The stance with the air ride suspension sitting the body just off the tarmac, accentuating the long curved lines to have it looking like a sneaky little sleeper looking for mischief on the LA streets. The stunning build sits in a class of its own with its character. With its lowrider stance and attention to detailing with its finish, it could easily be called a lowrider, but at the same time, with its awesome attention to keeping an original factory finish, it could easily be thought of as a classic or even a vintage with its age and originality. The interior finish is pretty much straight out of the factory with a few minor mod cons added for today's cruising luxuries. The thumpy stereo unit and surround sound, for example, still keeps with the originality of the interior. The power plant up front has been replaced with a shiny crate 350 Chevy, back through to a 200R automatic trans to have it purring along just nicely. The brakes, however, did get a makeover with a booster conversion and a disc brake setup up front to pull the old girl up, and suspension has been swapped out for the air ride setup, making for an awesome cruiser. The finish with the paintwork is simply perfect, with the keeping of the Bel Air styling, the two-tone colouring framed with the stainless trim along the spats over the rear wheels take it right back to the era. The only difference in this finish is incredibly deep and glossy. The deep gold paint catches the ink light incredibly and glistens back at you. The Felix cat on the nostalgic number plate surround is a tribute to the Felix Chevrolet store in LA. The store owners named their sales yard after their cat, and their name stuck since 1921, providing car parts and Chevrolets to the public still today. So this Chevy really is the cat's whiskers.